So today's video is one that we purchased ourselves. These were not sent to us, but we have a 3-pack of Lotrimin Ultra Jock Itch Antifungal Powder Spray. Inside of this little bag is 3-pack of these. And so you get one 4.6 ounce can, two 4.6 ounce cans, and the third 4.6 ounce can. You can see clinically proven to cure most jock itch, relieves itching, burning, scaling, and chafing. Powder spray goes on dry. This is essentially the same as this cream version, but this is just a spray version. Now it does seem that it has a little lock mechanism, so that is locked, and you can't spray, and you can of course just turn it where it can spray. There's a little look of the active ingredients, the usage, the warning, the directions, the storage information, all of that. And having 3 of these, you should have more than enough for what you would need. So of course you shake it up first, and I'll just show you on my hand here. Kind of see the powder spray. So that'll do it for this 3-pack of Lotrimin Ultra Jock Itch Powder Spray. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.